Good morning, fellow traders, and welcome back to another live trading session where I show you guys what it's like to be a day trader, working on becoming a full-time day trader, working on becoming a full-time millionaire, guys, every single day. That's what we do every single day, because at one point I was a full-time 9-to-5 worker. Then I stepped down to be a part-time 9-to-5 worker because trading is finally taking off, and now I'm a part-time trader working to become a full-time trader. It's the pre-market. It's only 6:10 a.m., 20 minutes before the market opens. We already hit the gym at 5:15 a.m. Here it is, the clip, but we got that mind ready. We're already prepared for what's to happen. We're looking at SPY. We see SPY in this weird range. We're not going to trade SPY at all until it breaks out of this range, guys. We got to be safe, and you don't want to get caught in the sideways action. Many times where you'll just take trades in the sideways action and it ends up chopping around, bouncing up and down, and it's frustrating. So the best thing you can do, guys, is just wait out of this range. Just wait till SPY gets out of these ranges. Wait for a breakout of the range. Maybe you can take calls or puts on either direction. But anyway, as far as news, guys, we have 15 minutes in. We have PMI news, 7 a.m. news. 15 minutes into the market, we have PMI news that's going to drop, and then 30 minutes into the market at 7 a.m. we have construction spending, as well as a couple other reports like ISM and auto sales. So something we got to be mindful about. Fundamentally, that's the fundamentals. Technical wise, we're already looking at SPY range. We have a couple of breakout levels that we're waiting for SPY to break out on. And if there's any stocks that you guys want me to trade, like I said, drop them down in the comments. Please like and subscribe to this channel, guys. I show you guys every single day what it's like to be a part-time trader working toward becoming a full-time millionaire. The transparency, I'm showing you guys all the time my P&L. If you're in my Discord, I literally post a P&L every single day. There's always members in there asking me what's the P&L. I call them the P&L police, but really it's for fun. So we're gonna try to catch some fire ass trades every single day. I treat it like it can change my life, because I can wake up one day and I have done something every single day that leads up to something that can happen when I wake up. So when I wake up and I work on something, I just know that this piece right here can change my life. So I just know that if I do something every day right and do the right thing every day, and I show up every single day, like Andrew Tate said, if you show up every single day, sometimes you have a lucky day. And if you show up every single day, you'll never miss your lucky day. So I treat every single day like it's a lucky day, like it can be that lucky day where it could change my life forever. So I show up every single day, no matter what. Here we are, guys, trading 15 minutes in before the market opens. Let's see what we can catch. We just trade stocks, listen to music, and make some money.
So my first trade was on the S&P 500, and I took a put position to the downside because, guys, the 5-minute was so weak. But not even that. This is me alerting in the group chat right here, letting them know that the 5 minutes is so weak. But guys, 15 minutes was showing a bearish engulfing, which is probably one of my favorites. And the 5 minutes was literally showing weak side to the upside, weak buyers to the upside, and sellers kept stepping in. And what you're watching right here is the 1 minute time frame, because the 1 minute shows drastic moves and nice entries. But I keep adding to my position because I do see a nice drop forming here, lower highs. And guys, come on, the drop was forming.
We made so much money. 374, 30 minutes into the market, the news dropped and it tanked the market so hard, as well as the 7 a.m. news just came out right now and pumped the SPY market up so crazy right now as we speak. But guys, I caught puts on the top of the zone. It was an easy call out, easy spot. Guys, there was a bearish engulfing on the 15-minute time frame, right? A bearish engulfing. We already know how I like to be a candlestick king and read candles. This is a big bearish sign right here on the 15-minute candle. Then you go over here to the right side and there's the 5-minute time frame. On the 5-minute time frame, you can see these 5-minute candles are so weak. No buyer volume. Buyers is showing that they cannot take it above the zone, this range that I have. Guys, I took puts, loaded the bad boy, and we collected 53% twice. 30% off the first trade and then 55% off the second trade, guys, putting us up at 374 on the day. Literally the most craziest gain in the world off of just SPY drop. And literally SPY is doing the same thing. It's going to drop again. Let me show you guys what I'm talking about right now. Wick, guys, this is what I mean. Look at this crazy ass wick. And look, this is the 15-minute candle that I'm telling you guys about. This is why it's important to understand candles. Guys, we just got the text from my boss saying that I do need to come in. Unfortunately, this is the only reality of trading and being a part-time trader, guys, is that we do have to still listen to the higher ups. And that's what we're working on, guys. We're working on every single day to try to get away from that. So we don't ever have to listen to anybody and tell us what to do. Although it's not wrong to get told from the boss. Of course, you got to start from the lower echelon of life to get to the higher echelon. But yes, we got told, close up our free time. Not our free time, our work time, our business time, our time to work on what we have going on in our actual life. So I have to step away and go to work now. But guys, we literally made our money 30 minutes into the market open. If you paid for the subscription, you made your money back. But this is why it's so important to understand candlesticks, guys, because to read candlesticks literally tells you a story. Yes, market was bullish. Yes, Nvidia was pushing. Yes, Apple's pushing too. Apple's pushing. Yes, a whole bunch of stocks are pushing, which, guys, Apple's pushing. From last night's video, we said Apple's going to push. It looks like it's going to continue on, and it did continue on. And it's pushing right now. Guys, it's so important to understand candlesticks, because with reading candlesticks, yes, the market did look a tad bit bullish, and maybe people would have thought it would have broke above that specific range, but the candles were literally telling you that buyers cannot hold it up here no more, that they're tired. Everything was literally showing signs of bear. So we hopped in for some puts. We gained 374 on a day. Let's call it good. Let's go. I just ate some lunch. I'm about to update my whiteboard for the news for tomorrow, as well as currently 6:10 or 6:17, sorry. And guys, I'm using literally my phone Wi-Fi. I got a text from Xfinity saying
that there's an outage today, so unfortunately it's not going to be up until 6:40. But hey, we're still grinding it out. Like I said, we're not going to go. I could go over there and sit and play games on the big screen TV, play some nice old dubs or whatever. But guys, we got to sacrifice. It's going to take me a few hours, so time is currently 6:17.
So guys, that wraps up today's video. 8:28, 2 hours later. That's how long it takes to edit one of these videos, as well as I even charted. At least took me about 30 minutes to chart. I can't lie, it took me 30 minutes to chart. But we only chart a few stocks now. I used to chart 10 stocks, but now I only watch 6 because I want to keep it really light. I don't want to overcrowd my plate. And anyways, guys, tomorrow we only have 2 reports, 7 a.m. factory orders and 7 a.m. job openings. So that's it. Nothing too crazy. I do see a potential put position on AMD tomorrow, as well as Apple has a big reject level here on the 4-hour. I don't feel like showing it just yet. Maybe I will. Who knows? Okay, maybe I'll show it. But guys, I'm only going to show Apple and AMD. I don't really care for anything else. They're not even good A1 setups or even really good setups. Apple's probably the best one. Apple has the closest one. But guys, let's see how tomorrow goes. We did a good game today. Let's try to keep it up. Tomorrow I'm feeling risky. I'm willing to risk potentially $100 L for a big gain. So let's try to do something big tomorrow. Let's try to keep this up, guys. We're going more cap. We're throwing more capital in these trades. So let's keep on going, guys. Have a good rest of your guys' night. Catch you guys tomorrow.